Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. And if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Hello friends, welcome back to Crafting at the Lake House. This is card number 11. I'm featuring the Around the Bend bundle for this card. I came up with an ingenious idea. I'll share that with you in a minute, but I'm also have a couple of different colors here. We're using Old Olive ink and Pale Papaya ink. So this is the card base. It's a basic white card base, thick. And this is the die that comes from the Around the Bend bundle. So I'm going to run that through my die cutting machine. I had to use the big one, so it's off screen. And then I just cut a little bit of that so that I can release the negative part of this. And oh, isn't this pretty? It cuts out the card and it's just beautiful. I love it. So what I did, I also die cut 3 times those little flowers as well. So I'm inking up my Old Olive ink and I'm using the Just Wanted to Say Thanks sentiment, and I'm gonna stamp that right on the card base. All right, and I don't know if you noticed that, but I do have a pearlized enamel effects in the basic white color, and you can't find it on the I think you can't find it on the website. No, you can't find it on the catalog, but you can find it on the website, so it's still available. So I came up with this ingenious idea to use the black dimensionals, so they come in different sizes, small and large, and I covered the backside of my little flowers. This is the ingenious idea. So eventually, after I use regular white dimensionals and minis on the leaf part of this card, I'm going to bring in this soft seafoam cardstock. It's the same size as the front, and I'm going to lay it on the back side, and then I'm going to fold the card over. So basically the leaves have dimensionals underneath them and just plain adhesive where the fold is. So this is my ingenious idea. I'm just going to tap the flowers a little bit with my blending or my finger dauber. Sorry, the word slipped from me. And now I have flowers with black centers and just a slight bit of color. So I thought using those black dimensionals was genius because I don't have to, put a little piece of paper behind to make them look black. Like the black dimensionals are doing it for you. Click like if you think that's a genius idea. I thought it blew my mind. I'm like, how smart am I? You know how you get excited about something? Yeah, I was pretty excited about this. All right, so I'm coming in now with the pearlized enamel effects in the basic white color. It's kind of a pearly white, and I am making little embellishments all over my card, and I did so on the soft seafoam cardstock in the underneath too. So anywhere there was a gap, I had a little bit of and I varied the sizes, small, medium, and large. So this is what I really like about the enamel effects, because you can make your own embellishments, and no embellishment that Stampin' Up! Sold at this time was small enough to fit in the gap and have enough of it. So having these pearlized enamel effects, they come in red and black and white. I think that's all. Oh, and silver too. No, black. Just black. 3 colors, black, red, and white. Sorry, I had to double check and make sure. I was confused. Yeah, so that is pretty much my card for today. And of course, you're going to be able to see all of the products I used in the description box below. Or there's going to be more stills and pictures and lots of other things going on my blog. I encourage you to pop on over. You can subscribe by email if you want to, and then that way you always know when I'm posting. And I think that's it for my card today. One last trick. I like to, after I use the pearlized enamel effects, I kind of slap it on my desk. And if there's too many, I sort of just tap with my fingernails underneath the card so that the little balls sort of flatten out a little bit. They don't look so dome-like. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye for now.